guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought it would be really fun to kind of give you like a vlog style get dressed with me. I already did my makeup and slicked my hair because I just got back from the gym and immediately hopped into the shower, but I thought it would be kind of fun to pick out an outfit together, get a fragrance selected for tonight. Of course we have to do our finishing touches on the makeup still, like I don't have my full lip on. And I got some new jewelry which I want to wear tonight because I got my nails done the other day and I just feel like rings and jewelry just hit different when your nails are done, because I be in the gym, I be looking a mess. So I'm really excited because today's video is sponsored by my friends over at Ana Luisa. So big thank you to them for choosing to collaborate with your girl. I will link Ana Luisa in the description box below, and I have a discount code just for you guys to save 20% off at checkout, which is a KDOL20. So again, I'll put the details in the down bar for you guys. Alright guys, I did slick my hair back already. I've been really liking this look. I feel like it's very chic and sleek. So I have some new pieces here that I've been waiting to kind of unbox with you girls, and I swear to you guys, Ana Luisa is such a game changer. I don't know if you guys always see my posts on like Instagram, but you'll see my little bracelet stack in the background of like my photos and stuff, and I have to tell you, the quality of these pieces is insane. Not only that, but the prices make it that much more worth it when looking for just everyday jewelry items just to elevate your looks. I do not take these off, okay? I'm in the gym, I shower with these on. I don't know if that's recommended or not, but they literally look still super sparkly and brand new, and I think it's super cute when you kind of stack your own pieces together. I just really love this look, and it just adds something extra to my outfits, and I just don't have to think about it whenever I'm getting dressed for the day, but I just feel super cute together. So I 10 out of 10 recommend Ana Luisa for the pure fact that the quality is on point. And these pieces are made out of recycled gold, and then they also have recycled sterling silver on the website. But for the pieces that I decided to pick up is this one right here, which is the Walker ring. I got mine in a size 7. Look how beautiful. It has a nice bit of texture to it, super shiny. It's thicker of a band as well. Cute. And then this one I saw on the website. It's very dainty, very delicate, and I also thought this would be really cute as well to add to my collection, and it is the Estella ring from Ana Luisa. And this one has a much thinner band. Like I said, it's more delicate, but it has this beautiful flower. I think that is so cute. So I think I'm going to put that on this hand because I have finger tattoos here and I don't like to cover them up. Honestly, if it were up to me, I would go get more finger tats because it's like wearing jewelry all the time. And then I also got another ring because I like to just wear a bunch of different rings all at once. This one is super thick and chunky. I feel like rings like this are very much so in style. It's thicker on the top and skinnier on the bottom. Super cute. And this one is called, oh, it doesn't have a name, but it says Beautiful Things on the tag. And I'm pretty sure I also got this in a 7. Oh, look at that. It fits my pointer finger perfectly. One more thing, because y'all need to get onto it because it's so cute. This is a bracelet, and I wanted to get another bracelet to add to my little stack every day, and I thought this one would be super cute. It has like little floral designs and then little pearls, and this is called the Hannah bracelet, and this is a size 6. So I'll show you guys what that looks like up close. Kind of see the flowers, and my other bracelet that I'm wearing actually has flowers that are very similar. So I think this is super cute, and then the pearls in between. I'm gonna need some help to get this on. See, this one has the same little flower detail. Super cute. So definitely check out Ana Luisa if you guys are looking to get some jewelry pieces or even just add some quality items at great prices to your own collection. And of course, you guys can go ahead and shop, and make sure you guys save with my code AKDOLL20 to get that 20% off. Now, I don't know about you girls, but I always feel like there's one or two things that I really want to wear, and then I'll try and figure out my outfit around those pieces. So not me about to step on my dog. I for sure want to wear like these white cargo pants. They're very light and airy. I'm going out in the evening time around like 6 o'clock. I don't think I even said where I'm going. I'm going to dinner and drinks with my friend Allie from LA, who's in town visiting. We haven't exactly confirmed yet, but traffic is going to be about an hour to get up there, and we said we'd roughly meet around 6. So I'm still waiting for the details to confirm that so I can head out, but I definitely wanted to vlog a little bit and, you know, start getting ready so I don't have to rush. These probably could be steamed. Am I going to steam them? No. But I think these are really cute, and they're a size medium from Zara. They're very stretchy, and they have this like tie in the band, and I feel like these are meant to be worn mid or low waisted because they're very baggy, and then the ankles can be worn wide, or you can adjust them and cinch them in. So I'm not sure exactly how we're gonna wear them. I have these sandals too, which I think would be really cute for the summer. A little bit of a heel, and it's a nice little way to dress up an outfit while still being, you know, cute but cash, as they would say on Laguna Beach. I have these in so many colors. I have a cream color as well. These are from Target. Okay, so depending on whatever top I pick out, I'll pick a color that best looks good, or looks the best. Of course, we need a cute top, so I pulled these crop tops from my wardrobe, and because the pants, I feel like they would look better mid-rise. I feel like having something shaped like this would really accentuate my waist. So I thought this would be perfect. It's like a little corset top, strapless, zipper in the back, and then it has that shape that I'm looking for. And I hope this fits. I haven't worn this since like my birthday last year, and of course I'm bulking, I'm gaining weight on my fitness journey, so I don't know if this is gonna fit, but that was option number one. And then I could pair it with those black sandals. I think that would just be a nice polished look with my slick hair. But I also have this really cute colorful top with the same silhouette. This is from Shein, and it's in this beautiful like pistachio color. It's a little bit more cropped, I think. And then it has a nice stretchy band on the back, and I've been waiting to wear this, and I feel like this is just giving like girls' night out, right? Casual drinks something. So I definitely want to try this one on and see how it looks with the trousers. And if that doesn't work, I have this top. Oops, I'm sorry. This is also from Shein. I think it goes like this. It's like all backless, which is very, very cute. I think this would be nice. It matches my nails, and my jewelry would pop really well with it. The back gains would look really good. Oh, it goes like this. It's a tricky one, but I think this is like not enough material, so I'm like, get something else. So I pulled this one, which is kind of basic. Again, that same little corset style, but it's a satin material, and it does have adjustable straps, and this I believe is also from Shein. So I'm gonna try these tops on and see which one I like, and then we'll just go from there. But either way, I think these all look really good. I guess it just depends on what I feel the most comfortable in, and by some miracle it fits. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with this top tonight because it's a crop top, but it still covers enough, and it's giving me that silhouette that I wanted, where I can wear these a little bit more low without feeling like everything is hanging out. So we're gonna stick with this, and I'm guessing the black little sandals would be the best bet. Yeah, I think. I'm gonna have to look in the mirror and see, but got a little height on me. Cute with the jewelry. Yeah. And for my bag, because I need to take everything out of here, I don't want to bring this bag. This is what I'm currently wearing, but I feel like it's a little too much, like too wide for dinner. It's definitely cute and I think it matches, but I want to go more neutral. So I'm going to take like my lip products out, and I think we're going to do, I don't have much going on up top to hold this up. So hopefully it's fine. The loop bag, I've been wanting to style this for like a dinner. I did wear this out to the club once and it was actually very comfortable, but whenever I want to make it more dressy, because this is my day-to-day bag as well, I like to wear it crossbody. I just take off the strap and I just feel like it's more dressy that way with just the chain. But this doesn't hold much, but it also makes it ideal because it's not so thick and wide. If you wanted, you could totally wear it as like a clutch or like in your hand. I don't know, I feel like it's just more nighttime appropriate. So I'm gonna pack this bag. I do have like a travel Louis fragrance that's almost out that I really like, by the way. I want to get this in the full size. It's called Spell on You. Definitely recommend. But that's all I have in here at the moment. So I'll get my stuff in here for the night. But yeah, it doesn't hold a lot. Just literally keys, phone, wallet. Not even a wallet, card case. And your lipstick, one lip product. Okay, that's literally all you can fit in here. But I do have a what's in my bag video I filmed with this, and an actual unboxing review if you are interested in this bag and you want to know the pros and the cons, like an honest review. But I think this is going to be like the perfect fit. Yeah, and the back is still out. Super cute. I feel like this isn't gonna stay up. You know, like that trick that they do to pull your girls up? I'm gonna have to do that. Ignore my crazy tan lines. I need to fix that. Now the best part is the fragrance. I feel like I have a lot of options going on, but for some reason I'm in a very warm and like woody type of mood, so I think we're gonna reach for Jazz Club by Replica tonight. You can see I use and abuse this. It's super good. Yeah, this is what I want to smell like tonight. Just like very welcoming and like cozy vibes, summer nights. I believe this is also a unisex fragrance. My keys. So we'll throw that in here. I might vlog. I'm vlogging today from my excuse me. I'm actually vlogging from my vlog channel, so I'm probably gonna just do that on my phone with my card case. Like, you need something very skinny. I have a hand sanitizer, but this is even too thick for this bag. But since I'm not bringing my camera, I have space for extra things. So I have this skinnier hand sanitizer because at dinner, like, I just want to make sure my hands are really clean. This is on my Amazon store and it fits perfect in this size of a bag. And then my lipstick, which I haven't put on yet, I've been loving this. It's the MAC, it's a cream sheen finish. Yeah, a cream sheen, and it's in Creme de Nude. It is so pretty. I already did my makeup, but I use Strip Down to fill my lips in, and I think it's Cork to outline. And then I'll put this in the middle. And it just gives like the look of fuller lips. So I'm gonna bring this to touch up. I do like to bring my lipstick and a liner. I'll put that in the outer pocket. Usually the smaller items fit really well on the outside, but you don't want to put too much because then it'll look thick and chunky and it won't zip. So that's what I'm going to bring with me. And then my phone, which usually fits in the middle. Like, that's the only way you can zip it up, is if you kind of stack everything around. Yeah, perfect fit. So I think this is gonna be cute. At the end of the day, I'm comfort over anything, and I feel like I can dress something up and still have comfort and make it look cute. So that's gonna be the look for tonight. Thank you guys for hanging out and getting ready with me for today, or getting dressed with me, I should say, for tonight. Again, if you guys like these jewelry pieces, I'm obsessed with them. They're so comfortable to wear. Definitely check out Ana Luisa. Again, don't forget to use the code AKDoll20 so you guys can save over at checkout on analuisa.com. So I will see you guys in my next vlog very soon. Bye guys!